looks really cool. The most amazing flapping bird you will ever see. It's way better than paper crane. This one right here is going to change the way we see origami. It's amazing. So you push the peak inside, you push it out, in and out, and you got a little flapping bird. It looks really cool. It's magic Friday. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to teach you flapping bird. That's right, something that has never been seen before. I'm going to share it with you. Don't go nowhere. Check it out. Oh, isn't that crazy?
How do you make this?
That's crazy. Today, this video, I wanted to share this with the world in dedication to my mother that passed away last year. I've been out of making videos for a whole year, and we're going to start all over again. So anyways, this flapping bird, very treasured, never seen before origami, I share with you today in memory of my mother. So look down here and check it out. All right, for this trick, all you need is one sheet of paper. That's right. It's really easy to do origami, and here you go. The way it works is first you have it facing up this way. You're gonna fold it in half. Okay, super easy origami bird. Fold it in half to create a crease. Try to get it as neat as possible. It's really important. So now you have a crease from top to bottom, and you're gonna grab the top corner, bend it down. It's gotta be nice and straight. It's really important that you try to make it as straight as you can. Okay, so now you're going to do the same with the left side. Hold it as best as you can, and then you're going to flip it around. You're going to do the exact, it's kind of like you're making an airplane, but you do it on both sides. So top right, hold it down so you could have, so it kind of evens out with the crease in the center right here. Okay, and you get the left side. Do the same. Try to get it as straight as you can. And there you go. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, nothing in the back. You got these little flaps folded in right to the center of the crease. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold on to one side, fold it in. You're not gonna go all the way to the center crease. You're gonna leave a little gap and then crease it out right there. You'll do the exact same thing. So you can see there's a little gap right here. Fold the bottom side or the opposite side. Do the about the same distance. Leave a little gap. Crease it. So you should have a little gap in the middle. Now you're going to fold it in half completely. So you should end up with a piece that looks like this. Okay. So now from here you're going to fold it right in the middle. You want to create a crease right here in the center. So you want to make sure it's nice and neat. Perfectly in the center, and you create the crease. When you open it up, you have a crease right in the center. So you want to face it this way, and the reason why is because you see this corner, you're going to fold it in like so. You want this to be right where the crease is at in the middle, as straight as you can. And you're going to do the opposite side as well. You're going to fold it till you reach the crease. So you're going to have a little, here's the crease. You're going to fold it about right there. Okay, so fold it in. You should have a perfect little center fold. Should meet right where the crease is at. Okay, now you turn it around. It looks like this on one side. Okay, the opposite side, it looks like this. Before I finish this origami, I do want to mention that share the video. It's going to help it a lot, or give it a thumbs up. And the reason why is because whatever comes out of this video, whatever monetary gain comes out of this video from the AdSense, it all goes to charity. So help me make this video go or take off just by hitting a thumbs up or sharing it to somebody. Either text it to them, go to a forum, share it, or whatever way you can share it, your social media, whatever it is that you think it's a good way to share it. It's actually a really amazing flapping bird, so I think it's worth sharing to somebody that likes origami. So just share it, and that'll really help this video take off. Okay, I would really appreciate that. Anyways, let's finish it up. You can see this side and this side. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold it this way. Because of this right here, you could tear it up, and you're gonna tear it up from the top a little bit past to the center. You'll see, just tear it up. Because it has the little crease or two wings in the back, you're gonna tear it. Keep tearing so you can see it's tearing right here, okay? And it keeps going, you keep going all the way to slightly above half. You can see up close. Not exactly in the middle, it's slightly more than half. You don't want to go too far because you want to leave a little peak in the front, okay? So here you go. This is how it looks. Now you fold it in half. Make sure it's nice and straight and smooth. It's important that it's nice and straight. So now you're gonna fold this down here, this little flap right here. Okay, you're gonna fold it down, and you're gonna do the exact same thing on the opposite side. This little flap right here, these are gonna be actually the legs of the bird. So you're gonna fold it down to meet the other side, so you can see they're both nice and even. So now you got the little feet right here, you got the peak, and you got the wings. Now, it's not completely done. You have to, in order for it to work, you have to open it, okay? Once you fold it like this, all you have to do is hold on to the bottom two legs. These are the legs, this is the peak. In the middle, you wanna open it up. That way, when you open it, it kinda makes it easier to flap. So you push the peak inside, you push it out, in and out, and you got a little flapping bird. Looks really cool, like a real flapping bird. Don't forget to come back every Friday and check out my new tricks.